Hope you all are doing well. Today we will create this beautiful basket with help of the SolidWorks. So let's start. First of all, from here I will select the front plane and make it normal. From sketch I will select the line and draw a line here like this one, and now I will just select the center line from here like this one, and now I will give dimensions to these lines as this one is 200 and this one is 100 and this dimension is 130 mm. Press OK. Now sketch is fully defined. Press OK from here. From features I will select the revolve boss or base command and I will select this center line as the axis of revolution. Press OK from here. Now again I will make the front plane normal and sketch the front plane here, and here I will draw a circle like this one and will give dimensions to this as from this point to this dimension is 150 and the circle dia is 100. Then just press OK from here and just press this center point and this origin and make it vertical relation. Now sketch is fully defined, and from here I will select the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle here like this one. From small dimensions I will dimension to this like this one is 165. Then just press OK from here and OK. From features I will select the trim entities and will trim the part that is not required to me and press OK from here. From features I will select the extrude cut and here I will select the through all both side. Now it will cut through all both side. Press OK from here. Now here I will give the radius of 20 mm on both sides and press OK from here, and again I will select the fillet and will give radius here of 10 mm. Press OK from here. Now I will use the shell command here in order to obtain my required geometry and then give this thickness of this wall that will be remain is 5. Press OK like this one. Now I will again make the front plane normal, and from here I will select the hidden lines, and now I will select the front plane and sketch here. From sketch I will select the offset entities and will offset this one in the reverse direction of 10 mm. Press OK, and from here I will select line command and will give dimension to this as 10 mm. Sorry, this dimension is 12 mm and press OK from here. Now sketch is fully defined, and from features I will again select the extrude cut and will select through all both sides and press OK. Now it has been extrude cut on both sides. Again I will select the front plane, make it normal and sketch the front plane again, and here I will draw a center line like this one and dimension to this one is 80 mm. Press OK. Now I will just select the corner rectangle here like this one and will give dimensions to this as from this to this is 2 mm and the width is 10 mm and the length is 50 mm, and then just press OK from here. And from sketch pattern I will select the linear sketch pattern, and here I will choose one because I don't require sketch in the X direction, I only require sketch in the Y direction. And here I will give the distance of 13 mm and just drop down it, and entities to pattern, here I will choose this rectangle like this one, and from here press OK. Now just make it solid part, and from features I will select the Revolved Cut, and before this I will show this part here because I require axis of revolution here, so I will select this center line, clear this selection, and axis of revolution here are this center line that is from origin, and here I will select the mid plane, and degree here is 6 degree. Then just press OK from here. Now it has been made, and from here I will select the circular pattern, and direction I will select this center line, and here the number of patterns are 36 and 360 degree. I selected, press OK from here. Now I will just hide this one, and here I will give fillet like these are of 1.5 this side and this side totally. Then just press OK from here, and again use fillet, and here I will remove these sharp corners and will give this dimension as 5 mm. We'll choose this one, and from here the same process. Then just press OK from here. Now I will again use fillet command, and from here I will give this dimension as 1.5, and from here I will select this one, and when I select this one, this comes, and I will select the third one because I require fillet to all the sharp edges here, and it will automatically select all the sharp edges from here. All the sharp edges are selected, and then just press OK from here. Now all the sharp edges has been removed from here, as you can see that. And here I will just give appearance to our basket, that I will select the green color from here, and then just press OK from here. That was all about today's tutorial, and if you find it useful, then kindly like, share and subscribe our channel so that we can meet with a new project or with a new exercise.